In this quick video, we're going to talk about inciting productive interaction through the manipulation of Schoology course structure, design, and visibility. So we're going to start our understanding of productive interaction by presupposing a operational definition of productive interaction. So an interaction is considered productive when it leads to efforts by, in this case, the students to use or apply practical information or experiences. When we think in terms of the learning environments that we create, specifically the Schoology learning environment that we have, we see that learning environments and experiences that do incite productive interactions are designed to be highly accessible. Secondly, they're focused on deliberate skill and content acquisition. And thirdly, they're comprised of opportunities for application, creation, and student reflection. Because we're working in the Schoology world right now, and we're in the organizing content within Schoology course, we're going to be focusing on number one, designing things to be highly accessible. And we're going to do that in three ways. When we think in terms of our Schoology course, we're going to first talk about Schoology course structure. When we say structure, we refer to how course material is sequenced and how the items are organized in relation to each other. We're going to take a deep dive into some organizational structures that teachers are currently using within Schoology. And then we're going to talk about how you can do those on your own within Schoology itself. The second characteristic we're going to take a look at is how we can design the experience within Schoology. And when we talk about design for this purpose, we're going to talk about how the course looks and feels during the learning experience. Lastly, we're going to take a look at visibility and access. So because the learning environment and the experiences, we can control when and how content is made available to students, and that can impact how productive they are. In sum, our intent here is to show you ways to manipulate the structure, the design, and the visibility of your course materials within Schoology in order to enhance the accessibility of course content to students, which in turn will lead to greater productivity as students interact with the Schoology content.